Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I just wanted to go through our brand new July-August 2020, starts today, close to my heart, seasonal catalog. So we've got Disney going on the front here, so that's kind of a clue as to what's going to be the July special inside, but let's just go through the catalog real quick. So we've got the table of contents, of course, and here discusses the subscription for the very quick and easy to do pages. You can do, you'll get, if you do the yearly subscription, it'll be 2 layouts a month, so 24 layouts for a total year, or you can buy them by the month or by the quarter. So this is the first, it is July and August. So the first one is called Summer Vibes. So we've got all of these summer things going on with flowers and leaves and the sunshine and the beach. And so here are the very cheerful summer papers. And there's, you know, this one, let me come down a little bit, has waves going through it. Then we've got like tropical leaves, and we've got picnic table idea and beach, tropical flowers, sticker sheet. Here's the coordinating colors for the layouts for the paper, and some different go with acrylic shapes, and always the Picture My Life cards. Don't ever forget the Picture My Life cards, because they can be used for journaling, they can be used for a photo mat, they can be used for a title, Walking on Sunshine, Hello Summer. They can save you so much time, and they're inexpensive. You get 24 of 4x6 or 3x4 combination for $6.50. I mean, it saves you a ton of time. So these cute little acrylic shapes. We're doing a lot of acrylic shapes now, which is, they're so fun and add dimension. So we've got a card making, thin cut with bubbles and fish and tropical drinks. And then we've also got scrapbooking, stamp and thin cut. Same kind of idea. Those are cute. So anytime you see a color, that means there's a thin cut that goes with it, so you don't have to do the fussy cutting. Okay, this is the workshop. So you get, excuse me, coordinated cardstock. You get the paper packet, Summer Vibes paper packet, and the sticker sheet. You get the cardstock that goes with it. You get a exclusive die cut sheets. These are die cut sheets here, and there's the sticker sheet, but these are all the die cut sheets. And look at the detail on these. These are all die cuts. You don't have to cut. All you have to do with these are glue them down. So they add tons of detail, and the layouts are just so clever. You know, they are not something that I would normally come up with. But they're not hard to do. They look very detailed, but they're not impossible. I mean, their full instructions come with the workshop, tell you exactly what to do. There's also a card making workshop for making probably 4 each of 4 designs. That's usually what it is. Yeah, 4 each of 4 designs. And you get an exclusive stamp and thin cut with the workshop. Plus you get these adorable little heart acrylic shapes. There's the thin cuts, ice cream cones, watermelons. Yum. Okay, the next one, very, very male, timber. I shouldn't say that, that's sexist. I take that back. And here are the colors that go with it. Ruby Sapphire, New England Ivy, Espresso Toffee, and Black. And French Vanilla, which I love, the French Vanilla. So here we've got some very strong papers. Great for camping, great for going into the mountains, you know, whatever your outdoor activity is. And here are the papers that go with. So here's the wood is on one side. The flip side is this kind of sort of like a buffalo plaid. I love this blue and green plaid. You know, I am a complete sucker Don't tell any men that I know, but I'm a complete sucker for flannel shirts. I try to get my husband to wear them. So, too much detail there. Cute sticker sheet, love the bear. And these are the die cuts, a timber die cut that's coordinates to go with the paper. Once again, you've got the Picture My Life cards. And then you've got a card making stamp and thin cut to make these stamps, cards. And a scrapbooking stamp and thin cut. So you can kind of go off on your own way if you don't want to do the workshops. But here are the workshops. Super cool layouts. Each workshop you have 3 2-page layouts with all the die cuts, with a sticker sheet, with the full paper pack, and coordinating cardstock to put it together along with the instructions. And then we just have additional different stamps and what have you that can go with these papers. So here's the card making workshop. So a great way to make some kind of mailish oriented cards to send, and they're cute. Hook, line, you have my heart, hook, line, and sinker, forever hooked on you. Good things come to those who bait. Oh, I love that. Forever hooked on you. Very cute. And then you can put a holy, happy birthday or whatever on the inside. So here we've got our mix-ins. Now, mix-ins is 6 sheets, 1 each of double-sided paper. So this is one side, this is the other. So you get these papers, all of these papers coordinate with the layouts that you just saw, the papers that you just saw. So it really extends the leftover paper from the workshops, both card and scrapbook. And this helps you extend those strongly textured and pictured papers. Okay, now these are the acrylic stamps and thin cuts that go with our papers for this summer. Gorgeous, gorgeous sunflower stamps, and my favorite, a picket fence. Oh my gosh, I love picket fences. Great family stamp, all sizes of kids, so cute. And my dog is barking. There must be some dog out for a walk and she's jealous. Cute stamps to make just hello kind of cards just because. And, who doesn't love a flamingo with some tropical leaves and flowers to go with it? If you like coloring, good grief, these mandalas are gorgeous. I mean, look at this. You have, a butterfly and a heart and a beautiful shape to make beautiful, beautiful cards. So now, see, I personally love blobs, and this is a very nice stamp. It's called Treasured Memories. I wish I could make everything better. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. That's from Lady Bird Johnson. I have no words, just hugs, thinking of you. A treasured memory is a lasting gift of a life of time well spent. Just a simple I'm sorry. And then, it's always nice because here's the stamp, but then we give you an idea of how to use the elements that are in that stamp. So the same kind of thing. Here's a stamp and thin cut. Gorgeous little birdhouses, beautiful flowers, butterflies. And here's a beautiful way to use it. So this, if you notice, looks like an 8.5 by 11 to me. So I wonder, that's interesting that we're showing 8.5 by 11. Once again, together is a wonderful place to be. If that doesn't yell COVID, coronavirus, I don't know what does. These are cute with the curly cues. I love this little heart arrow. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. I've got to get that. Okay. Tropical flowers. Bloom. Born to bloom. Very cute. Here's an idea of how to use it. So we never just leave you with just the thing. We always give you, okay, here's this fabulous stamp and thin cut of koala bears, which, you know, they suffered greatly last summer during the Australian fires. And here's a great way to use the koala bear. So cute. This is adorable, beyond adorable. We have these window thin cuts, circles and squares, that are perfect for these little guys. I mean, is that little, what is that? That's not a chinchilla. It's a cute as ever guy, little guy. And all these cute little things, thinking of you, you are magic, and an adorable card to send. Okay, if you like gnomes, nobody loves you like I do. Love you no matter what, and home sweet gnome. Here's another one of those. Oh my gosh, I've got to go with it. I used to know what that was. Anyway, is he like so beyond cute? What can I say? Paper dolls. So cute. And let's go bowling. Oh, one of my ladies. Vicky, this is for you. Let the good times roll. There's a bowling, I've never seen a bowling stamp set. Okay, Vicky, it's yours. Come get it. Great alphabet, kind of whimsical looking, very, very cute. They're kind of hinting here, I think. And here you've got it. Ladies, this is a special. It's Disney. And it's the happiest place. Look at these papers. I mean, they are just so cute. A roller coaster. Of course, you've got to have dots. I mean, such cute, bold papers. But this, let's read. I'm going to read through. Preserve your happiest memories and create a truly magical artwork with the Happiest Place collection. Your projects will shine thanks to silver glitter foil accents on coordinating stickers and cardstock. Okay, I've got to look at that. Add in stamps, acrylic shapes, and this makes, plus SVGs, which are files for the CRICUT, for those of you who've got design space, to make an 8.5 by 11 cut above layout with the CRICUT collection. You can make a whole Disney book, a whole 8.5 by 11 Disney book on either past Disney visits or ones that you're planning to come. And hopefully we'll be able to do that sometime soon, because aren't you sick of being inside? Okay, look at this. This is more Disney. This is more Disney. This paper, okay. Happiest Place coordinating cardstock. This is the cardstock that goes with those really bold papers. 12 sheets for black, and 2 each of candy apple, glacier, lemonade. Here's glacier, lemonade, candy apple, white daisy, and of course the black. And on one side there's a silver foil pattern, and the other side is black, but included 2 black sheets and 1 sheet of each color. So you get a plain cardstock candy apple, but then you get this foil, gorgeous foil, stars, stripes, and stars. Holy moly, gorgeous. New, that's a new product that we haven't really seen before. We haven't really seen the cardstock like that. So beyond cute layout, right? This is for 12 by 12. And home, my dream place, say cheese, best ever, fireworks, because of course, and adorable balloon for Mickey Mouse. And this is the digital bundle. Now I understand that CRICUT is a little bit behind, but there's a digital bundle that is available or going to be available. Includes 5 SVG designs shown here. So the different colors indicate different layers that can be edited and cut individually. So you can take your album with your cut above pages, or even your 12 by 12 pages, and make a vinyl title for your album cover. Or you can use them inside on your pages, however. And then what do we have here? Okay, this is, can you tell I haven't read the catalog? This, I'm doing this right along with you. This is the cut above layout kit, so you can see what all of the pages look like. So here's the beginning page, and then a 2-page layout, 2-page layout. Look at how cute these are. 2-page layout. This is the president of our company, Monica Wahingi, and her family. And when they went to Disney. Another 2-page layout, 2-page layout, 2-page layout, and then the end page. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 pages to make your album. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, so, and we've got my favorite shimmer brushes. We've got new colors. We have lemonade and green apple. That's my other dog crying for me. She's talking. That's how she talks to me, because she doesn't bark. See? Oh my God. And the newer colors are toffee, peach, raspberry, lagoon, bluebird, and evergreen. And then, of course, our wonderful stamps of the month. Here's July. I've made a card with this adorable little girl. I love this stamp. You can get it for $5 with a purchase of $50 or more. Otherwise, it's $18.95, our normal stamp price. But $5, you can make a ton of cards with this. So cute. And then the July, no, that was July. This is August, the stamp of the month. Big flowers, celebrating you, sending smiles. Here's cards to give you an idea. Okay, ladies. Oh, and last but not least, this is Operation Smile with these adorable critters that says, "You make me happy, miss you, love you always, just for you, thinking of you, and sending hugs," with these adorable little guys. $7 of the purchase, this is $18.95, $7 of each purchase of the Operation Smile goes to the doctors that go down to Central America, and babies from the mountains come down and from the towns come down who've got cleft lips and palates, and they repair them for $240 per operation. So $7 of each of the purchases, each purchase goes to our Operation Smile charity. So anyway, there we go. Our new catalog, July 1st through August 31st. Thank you. Bye now.